up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. Appreciate you joining us. Just wanted to give you a real quick announcement. Next Tuesday, I'm going to be hanging out with Justin over Baby Back Maniac. In fact, I'm going to hang out with him a few days. But specifically on Tuesday, Justin and I are going to be on the hot seat live with CJ. If you're not familiar with CJ's cooking channel and him doing the hot seat every Thursday, y'all can check out his channel up here. Please subscribe to him. He's got a great channel. And usually he does the hot seat on Thursdays, which he is next week as well, but he's got Christy from Christy's Cooking Channel doing Thursday. So me and Justin, since we're going to be together at Justin's house, we decided, let's see if we can get CJ to go live Tuesday night and do a hot seat. That's what we got, folks. This coming Tuesday night, 6 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. Eastern, you're going to find me and Justin as guests on the hot seat with CJ. Hope y'all join us. And again, go ahead and subscribe to CJ. Click his little bell so you'll know you get some notifications when he's got other guests coming up for his hot seats. And if he puts up any cooking or drinking recipes, you know, he's got a cool channel. Y'all go check him out. Show him some love. Tell him old T-Roy sent you. And we'll see y'all Tuesday. Bring your questions, folks. We're going to have a good time.
Hey everybody, welcome back to T-Roy Cooks. Show pal T-Roy here.
Right. Yeah. Let's put my
And remember,
you want some sunglasses, man?
T-Roy Cooks responsibly.
Responsibly.
Ha!